There's this tiny lake in the middle of the forest that I always wanted to go and dive. The issue is it's in the forest and you have to walk about 45 minutes to get there. And to get the dive equipment to the place is always a bit difficult. So long time I was just too lazy to do it. The lake does not really have a great visibility, so it does not even make sense to really go up there. But now I've bought the drone, underwater drone, remote operated submarine, and I think it's now a very, very good time to just try it out and see what's underneath the lake, what is there. I assume the visibility is going to be shit, but it doesn't really matter. Let's give it a try. So I'm currently on the way. I have the drone in the backpack and yeah, walking there, and we'll see what's going on the water. So the nice thing about today is that because it's raining, it was 25 degrees Celsius for a long time, and now it's getting autumn and cold, and it's the first day that it rains in autumn. So currently I'm up here all by myself. It's really, really beautiful. There's mist in the forest, there's cloud anywhere, nobody around, really, really silent. It's just beautiful here. And yeah. So I've just arrived at the site, and we're gonna unpack the submarine, the drone, and I'm gonna see what's inside the lake.